dancers with senior division. We'll be back later on in the evening with
that you like it, but the way he likes to play is A to the bar. When he plays the ball, he's the daddy of them all. The people gather around when he gets on the stand. Then when he plays, he gets the hand. The rhythm he beats puts the cats in a trance. Nobody there bothers to dance, but when he plays with the bass and guitar, they holler out, beat me, daddy, A to the bar. A blink, a blink, a blink, 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 a plunking on the key. A rip, a rap, a rip, rap, rip, rap, a ribbon up with he. But when he plays with the bass and guitar, they holler out, beat me, daddy, A to the bar. He plays the boogie, he plays A to the bar, a boogie woogie. That is the way he likes to play on his piano. And we all know that when he plays, he puts them all in a trance. The cats all holler hooray. You'll hear them say, beat me, daddy, A to the bar. Later, honky tonk, back to Texas. That is the guy who plays the Misty and his dice bar.
And the tune, by the way, is Moments in the Moonlight.
Grand tune, Ted, and we'll hear Perry Como on the vocals.
How can you forget moments in the moonlight, moments of a love that used to be? As I stare in space, I still see your face, and once again I'm lost in your thrilling embrace. Though the spell is old, somewhere in the moonlight, memories of your kiss will live anew, and we'll meet, my love, as I keep dreaming of moments in the moonlight with you. And we'll meet, my love, as I keep dreaming of moments in the moonlight with you.
And the tune, by the way, is Moments in the Moonlight.
Grand tune, Ted, and we'll hear Perry Como on the vocals.
How can you forget moments in the moonlight,